Alright, so he's moving all of the soil to the middle over there. So we have to put a retention wall right here. So retention wall going up here to there. So and Zess is explaining them how they need to do the retention wall. I kind of told Zess how I want it, so he's trying to let them know how it should be done. So we have some crack here happening already. So the retention wall is going to go 4 feet from this wall and make a wall from over there, come all the way straight over there and go that way. And then we use the soil to backfill in the back of the wall. We have a first truck that's gonna use the road. Have 600 blocks, 40 bags of cement, and a whole bunch of rebars. So he's gonna reverse up the hill and offload everything. And these blocks is for making the retention wall right here. Oh, he's in the septic. No? Okay. Good. Whew. Good afternoon, guys. We are in week number 6. Okay, today is Tuesday and we have 7 guys working. For the past few weeks we had only 2 and 3 people working. We have 7 guys working, which is tremendous. Right now they're working at a retention wall behind me, and that is coming along pretty well because the master bedroom is so close to the edge, it has potential of falling down. Well, some soil has already fell down, so what I asked the Roy to do, which is my builder, to stop and concentrate on the wall, because I need that retention wall to be up so that we can backfill and no soil gonna be coming down. So if you look at it right now, you can see how they have it. They have a footing over there. You have the base like that, and you have a foot in the back there, which is that's like a heel, a heel, a heel, a heel, 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 heel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heel. All right, and we have your base, go all the way down. They put some water in here to see how, I don't know why they put water in here, but you can see, and in every foot there is a size 4 rebar. In every foot there's a size 4 rebar. Go all the way over, and that is for the strength of the retention wall. In the corner here you can see that cross, how they make that design right here is like a V that's right here. So that V is to hold, to make the form in the corner here, and to be able to concentrate the strength of it, you know. So, and all the way back. So guys, this is good. We have the cement mixer ready to go. This is what it looked like up top. And there's that V I'm talking about. This is what it looks like right there. They are at the stage where they're about to pour the form. And for this side here, you can see it's going to be like a triangle shape. So it's all folded in. So we need 40 more blocks to continue the wall. So we have one form over here that is already cured, and the one in the end is poured. This one here is poured, and this one there is being poured. And so pretty much by the end of the day they should have all of this poured. Well, they have to make the forms for those two over there, but I think they might just use the forms from this one. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Good afternoon, guys. The wall is 90% complete. I say 90% complete in a sense of this right there is filled, with concrete. This one is done. This one is filled. That one over there is filled, and the corner one is being filled right now. Well, I think the corner one is done. This front one where he's standing is filled. They're filling it up, and then this two right here, this one right there, and that one there needs to be filled up. After this is done, as you can see, they put like an electrical conduit right there, then another electrical conduit right there, and another electrical conduit right there. So that's so in case we need power, you know, put lights up right there, we can put lights up and different things. But the last thing they need to get done, pretty much, is to run one row of concrete blocks right there, like this row this set that is there. There's 10 of them there, so about 10 would stop where that board is sitting right there, and then what they're going to do, they're going to make a straight line going all the way down to fill the corner. And the last thing that needs to be done is a crown. We're going to put a crown on top to tie in, which is like 30 centimeters, to tie in the whole rebar top, to hold everything together, and that's going to be the final portion of the wall. So by tomorrow this should be done, and after that they're going to be focusing on the construction. I have my engineer over there making sure that everything is placed appropriately. All the rebars are down, the legs and the footing are placed correct. He's talking with the foreman to have an idea of different things, but so far, guys, we are good to go. Just one part that's checked off. Next week we should have the concrete truck coming to pour the foundation, and comes and he pour the foundation, and that will be done next week. After that is the panels, guys. After that, well, he's gonna put cinder blocks. We have 400 cinder blocks over there. That would raise it up to the level that we need, and then we're gonna put all of the soil in the middle there, compact it down, make sure everything is nice and good. We put the PEX, because we decided we're gonna use PEX to run all our water system. All right, guys, see you later. It was nice chatting. Everything is looking well.